What's up, guys? Welcome back to All Wings Everything. I am your cook, Spinelli, the self-proclaimed wing king and the prince and ruler of all lemon pepper wings. If you need some proof, click that link above me. That's all you're gonna need to verify that I am the prince. Now, guys, before I get into this video, man, why y'all so hard on me, man? Tell me, why are y'all so hard on me? I just changed my format up for 3 videos out of over 60. And people went crazy. I really didn't know you guys really love to see Spinelli and the recipes as detailed as I had them, or as I do. Guys, I will do that format here and there. I like to kind of switch it up. That's all I wanted to do as a content creator. Sometimes you have to try to switch things up to see what works and see what doesn't work. I heard you guys loud and clear. Some people loved it, a lot of people didn't. But again, I'm gonna switch it up here and now. But guys, I'm back. That's all that matters. I'm back. And even when I was gone, there was some great recipes y'all already know. So I'm back with this new video, Blackened Brown Buttered Wings. You see, I came back strong. Get in your kitchen. I'm already in mine. Let's go. Alright, so here are the ingredients we're going to use for today's recipe. We have our Publix green wise chicken. We have some Old Bay blackened seasoning, butter, maple syrup, a lemon, olive oil, balsamic vinegar, and salt. So these are the ingredients we're going to use for this delicious recipe. So let's move on. All right, so I've already measured out our ingredients and cut and cleaned our chicken. So what we have here, we have the juice of half of a lemon, half a teaspoon of salt, 4 tablespoons of butter, 1/4 cup of maple syrup, 1 tablespoon of blackened seasoning, 1 to 2 tablespoons of balsamic vinegar, and 1 tablespoon of olive oil. So these are the ingredients we're going to use. So let's move on. All right, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to season our chicken. So you want to add your olive oil. Next, you want to add your blackened seasoning. Now, you can do this to taste. You don't have to use all of this blackened seasoning. You can start with a little bit and kind of eyeball it. But you guys know I love my chicken to be seasoned to the T. I take this seasoning thing to the extreme, guys. So I'm going to add the rest of my blackening seasoning on this. So you could do 1 to 2 tablespoons. I think right here I'm using about 2 tablespoons or 1.5 tablespoons. I can't remember. All right, give it a good mix and we'll move on. All right, so here we're going to line our baking sheet with aluminum foil and spray our grates with cooking spray. What this does, it's for easy cleanup and making sure your chicken doesn't stick to your pan. So go ahead and do that, and I'll see you guys in the next step. All right, so what we're going to do here is we're going to add our chicken pieces to our baking sheet, skin side down, 1/2 inch to 1 inch apart. Try not to overcrowd your pan. Gotta look at those pieces. Well seasoned, looks good. All right, guys, go ahead, add your chicken piece. I'll see you in the next step. All right, so we're going to move these chicken pieces over to their next home inside this oven. I've already preheated the oven to 400 degrees, and we're going to allow these things to cook for 55 minutes. Again, you guys know I like mine extra crispy, so that's why I keep them in for about 55 minutes, but you can probably do about 45 to 55 minutes. All right, guys, I'll see you in the next step. All right, so now we're 27 minutes into the cooking process. So what we want to do now is we're going to flip our chicken pieces over to allow them to cook for the remaining of the time on the other side. Remember, we love to cook our chicken evenly on both sides. That's why we flip them over. So, all right, go ahead, flip your chicken pieces over, and I'll see you in the next step. All right, so while we're waiting on those chicken pieces to get done, we're going to create our blackened seasoning. So you want to add your butter to a pot and let it start to melt. And once your butter is melted, what you want to do is add your salt. Next, add your lemon juice. Add your maple syrup. Give it a good whisk. Add your balsamic vinegar. As you can see, I used probably half of the balsamic vinegar in the beginning, just because I don't want to put too much and overpower it. So you want to kind of give it a taste just in case you need to add more. Now what you want to do is you want to bring it to a boil, continue to stir it, and allow it to simmer for about 5 minutes. And then what you want to do is you want to remove it from the heat, put it in an empty dish, and reserve it to when the wings are done. All right, I'll see you guys in the next step. Guys, so we're about 10 minutes from the end of the cooking time. So what we're going to do is we're going to take that brown butter blackened season, and we're going to brush our chicken pieces with this seasoning. Look at that, guys. Oh man. What we want to do is we want to give it a light glaze. This is going to bring out the flavor. You're going to put them back in the oven for about 5 minutes and let them cook. Then you're going to turn them over and you're going to baste the other side. Remember, what we do to one side, we do to the other side. So I'll see you guys in the next step. All right, so now our chicken pieces are done. I've already turned them over and basted the other side. Let's put him here under the light on the counter and take a look at that. Beautiful, beautiful. Guys, this is so beautiful. Take a look at that. All right, I'm ready to eat, guys. All right, let's move on. All right, so now it's time to transfer these chicken pieces to a clean plate. So go ahead, remove your chicken pieces from your pan and add them to a clean plate, and we'll move on to the next step. And there you have it, guys. Blackened brown buttered wings. What do you think about that? Or should I say, how do you like those apples? Guys, this looks amazing. Take a look at that. Absolutely beautiful. Absolutely beautiful, guys. I can't wait to dig into these. You have to leave a comment below. Let me know what you think. Also, guys, the ingredients and the measurements are in the video description below. So if you need them, go ahead, take a look at the video description below. And I thank you guys for stopping by, supporting the channel, and sticking with me through this recipe. And I will see you guys in my next video. One more look before I go. Take a look. I'm about to have a ball with these. All right, I'll see you guys in the next video. I am out. Peace.